My name is Heman Naik from HCL L2 Technical Support Team. Today we will see how to prevent HCA to set as the default program for email, calendar and contact during install or upgrade. Let's see more information on HCA and this particular requirement. HCL Client Application Access is a small standalone application that allows you to work with your HCL Notes and the HCL Domino applications. Normally, while installing the Notes client using the graphical interface, it's prompt you to enable or disable Notes as the default program for email or calendar or contacts as shown in the reference screenshot. HCA installation in GUI mode, there is no option to enable or disable HCA as the default program for email or calendar or contacts. To overcome this issue, the HCA installation can be performed silently. Let's begin with the demo. First, we will install HCA using GUI mode. Here, my HCA 3.0.2 installer setup. Right click installer, run as an administrator, installation begin. Install. Here installation completed. Click finish. Here I have already configured the account. Now try to select file and use send to mail recipient to see which application used to send mail as per the default setting. Here HCA used as a default application. Now to overcome this, we will try to install HCA silently with additional command line option. Open command prompt, run as administrator. Navigate the installer path, run command as shown. Once you run command, the HCA installation complete immediately. Now again, try to select file, use send to mail recipient to see which application used to send the mail as per the default setting. This time it is not select HCA, it tries to search and use the default mail client. I hope this video will help you to prevent HCA to set as the default program for email, calendar, contact during install or upgrade. Thank you for watching this video.